Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm freaking out. This just dropped on my doorstep literally 2 seconds ago. I didn't think I was going to get it in time to show you guys before the big release. I am so excited. Are you guys ready? It is a Square Diamond Art Club. Dun, dun, dun. Hannah Lynn, the White Rabbit. OMG, I cannot wait to tear into this. It does come in square or round. It is a 19.5 inch by 27.5 inch. That equates to 49.6 centimeters by 70 centimeters. She's super cute. I can't wait to open it. This sticker comes in your kit, and you can use it on the end of your box if you're storing it. You can use it on your kit up drills, your storage. You can use it in your logbook, however you like. It's so nice because it tells you all the information that you need to know what's what. You also comes with the toolkit. In the toolkit, we're going to get an applicator, which is the pen, the comfort grip, heart-shaped wax with wax container, craft tray, tray stopper, multi-placers, cover minder, washi tape, Ziploc baggies, and tweezers because it is square. If you do get it in round, the tweezers do not come with it because they're round, and so it's hard for the tweezers to pick up those round drills unless they're a different type of tweezer. Okay, so here we go. So here's the baggies, which I love. This company gives you enough baggies for all the colors. Here's your random washi tape. So cute, pretty and pink. Here's your applicator or drill pen. It's pink with sparkles, and you've got a matching squishy. Here is your wax. There's 2 of them in here. You're going to want to make sure you take the plastic off the wax when you go to apply so that you get your wax on your pen. Here is your 4-placer and your 7-placer. You see right here, it shows you. Let me see if I can get the light to catch it. It's a 7 right there. That's how you know. And trick, 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 you can put it on the end of your pen, and now you have a dual purpose pen. Cute little half macaroon cover minder. So you're going to put this underneath your canvas, this on top of your canvas, the pretty part, and this is going to hold back the plastic while you are drilling your diamonds. You're going to have your tray with the stopper so that you make sure that none of those drills leave the premises. And then you have your logoed tweezers right here with the safety cap. So we're going to put these aside so that we can jump in to the painting. Okay, so it does come in the plastic, which I like, which then comes in the box, which is shrink wrapped, which then comes in another box. So hopefully, even if the shipping company decides it does not like diamond painting, you will still get your canvas in pristine condition. All right, it's got that patented velvet smooth, soft lint backing. It's got your serged edges. Absolutely gorgeous. Here across the top, it has their logo, Do What Makes You Sparkle. And let's open this baby up. What I like about this one is it's got the black and white around it so that you can do some amazing things with the frame. That's the word I was trying to think of. Oh my gosh, look at her pink hair and those ears. Absolutely fabulous. Let's take a quick look at the symbols. Nice and clear. You can see them. This has 52 colors. Those eyes. Hannah Lynn always knows how to do her eyes. It's like, seriously, come over and do my eyes for me. OMG. Okay, so we're going to take a closer look. Just a second. Let me get these drills out of the way. You're going to get your thank you for your purchase packet. It's going to say what's included in your kit, tips and tricks. It's going to give you video, the VIP Facebook, and step-by-step instructions. And a thank you for your purchase. You're also going to get another sticker with your start and end date. This one you can put in your logbook as well. Look how cute she is. We're going to look in just a minute. And then this is all the stickers. You can put these on your baggies if you want, or on your containers when you kit up. This also shows you all the symbols. So pretty. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then here, anything below a 150 are ABs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And then down here, they snuck in a little Z right there. And that is a fairy dust. So we're going to look and see where those are in just a minute. But let's get back to her and how beautiful she is, right? So I love the pink hair, and I am a huge fan of the blending that the hand charters do. And this hair is not going to disappoint. The 1s and the 2s are going to be ABs, which we're going to look at in just a minute. But here are the 1s all throughout her hair. So her hair is just going to be glowing, glowing. Okie dokie. And then look at that. She's like, I have a secret. I cannot keep it. Okay. And then this, her gloves are the fairy dust. Oh my gosh. And her ears have the fairy dust too. That little carrot, sideways carrot. So there's going to be a ton of fairy dust. Oh my gosh, this is a perfect one to pick up for your Hannah Lynn-a-thon. I believe they're in April and October. Here's some more fairy dust is going to be in here as well. Look at that clock. That is just going to, oh my goodness. All right, and then you've got your 3 10s down here to make up. And then you've got her dress. Oh, to die for. And then let's see, where are the 2s? Okay, the 2s are scattered throughout the fluffy part of her dress, the little bows. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then we have the 3s. Let's find some 3s. I think it's a lighter yellow. Okay, yes, so the 3s are going to be up here. They're going to be throughout here as well, just to give you a little extra bling. And then the 4s. Let's see, where are the 4s? They are blue. Just trying to find. Okay, so they are a blue. Okay, so they're scattered throughout here. They're up here. So just enough to give you a little outline on your blues. Yeah, there's not as much blue, but the rest is going to be fabulous. Oh my gosh. She's so amazing. Okay, so let's get into, I like to fold this over so we have a nice clean white background. What I like about the drills is you can see here the white rabbit, and it has the code that's on the bottom part of your canvas. So if we flip this over, you're going to see here, there's a little thumbnail. Here's that code we talked about called the White Rabbit, what the size is, who the artist is. You're going to have all your social medias right here. And then over here is your lifetime warranty as well. So they fit so much on this canvas. All the things, all the things. So crinkle alert. All done. Okay, so I actually got to interview Hannah Lynn, and I will put it at the end of this video, and I'll also put it up here in the eye. Go check it out. She is such a sweetheart. Oh, I can't wait to see these beautiful colors. 52 of them, baby. 52. Okay, so ready? Look at that. It's like a pumpkin orange. Got this beautiful blue, 600. And I'm really surprised. Okay, so here's that blue. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm a sucker for that teal blue color. That was the AB blue we talked about. I'm noticing a lot more 600 or 6,000s. Like, I'm kind of impressed that they've upped their game and expanding the types of colors that they're using. All right, here's the baby train. There's always a baby train. Ooh, I love that color. So much sparkle. And if we look closely, right, these are square. You can see there's no tabs. There's no little hang-offs. No trash. Okay. These greens are gorgeous. Okay, here's another AB. The 129. That yellow we talked about. Absolutely beautiful. So worth it. I would love to see the hand charting process. I'm so curious how that works. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. We talked about there was going to be a lot of the pink AB through her hair. And here's some of that red. And then here is that red AB. And the AB stands for Aurora Borealis. I consider it kind of like a sequence coating because it's got a little bit of that green and blue. Not a lot of 310s. There's 2 bags of 310s. All right, so here, whoa, 3 bags of this fairy dust, guys. It's kind of like a mica powder on mixed in there. 3 freaking bags. Super excited. So instead of 310s, this has a lot of the 3371. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And I think it's because it uses that all through the framing. And the black is really just reserved for the her dress with the polka dots. I think that's really smart. It'll add some depth to it. And the 3371 is dark enough, even though it's a brown, it can come off as black. So that's really nice. And then around the clock, it's the brown, which I feel like with these yellows and browns in the outside of the clock, you're going to pick up the brown tones, and then over here on the frame, you're going to pick up those darker black tones in the 3371. So super smart, but they know what they're doing, right? They don't need me. Okay, so I want to clean this off so we can finish strong on this beautiful White Rabbit Hannah Lynn. She's absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you're a Hannah Lynn fan and how many Hannah Lynns have you stacked up that you're going to put in your cart this Black Friday. I have several. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.